After opening either the camera or propulsion sphere for any reason, the sphere must be vacuum tested after it is closed. This test is done to help determine if the sphere has been properly sealed and there are no leaks. In order to perform this test, you need the backfill unit, the vacuum leak detection manifold, the vacuum plug adapter, and a screwdriver or other suitable tool to remove and install the vacuum port plug. Since we're only using the vacuum pump of the backfill unit, disconnect the tube that connects the vacuum pump to the oil reservoir. Then connect the end tube on the vacuum leak detection manifold to the vacuum pump.
The tube uses a 1/4 inch Kohler quick connect and will make a click sound when it is plugged into the Kohler quick disconnect.
Next, the top panel needs to be taken off. Remember, if you're taking off the front panel, the camera needs to be tilted down. After the panel is removed, tilt the camera sphere the rest of the way down so the pressure transducer is facing up.
When the system power is off, the camera sphere can be manually tilted up and down for maintenance purposes. Use care when hand tilting the camera sphere. If there is resistance, do not force it, as doing so will cause damage to the tilt motor, chain, and sprockets. Now that the camera sphere is tilted down,
you can reach down the middle of the ROV to the vacuum port plug. For the propulsion sphere, the vacuum port plug is located on the back of the sphere. When you can get to the vacuum port plug, use the screwdriver or other suitable tool and insert it through the holes in the vacuum plug. Rotate it counterclockwise to loosen the plug. Once it is loose, use your hand to finish taking the plug out. Now take out the vacuum plug adapter and place the port plug in the Ziploc bag to help protect the O-rings and keep the O-rings and the port plug together. Check the O-rings on the adapter. There is a face seal O-ring and a gland O-ring. Make sure they are in place, clean, and free of any nicks or scrapes. If there is something wrong with an O-ring, replace it. Or if in doubt, change it out. Next, check the hull. Make sure it is clean and free of burrs and deformations. Now screw in the adapter. It should only be hand tight. As the adapter is screwed in, make sure the O-ring stays in their grooves and do not partially slide out or get sliced. Once the adapter is in, take the tube from the vacuum leak detection manifold and connect it to the quick disconnect fitting adapter.
this tube uses a 1/8 inch Kohler quick connect and will make a click sound when it is plugged into the Kohler quick disconnect.
To review, a tube connects the manifold to the vacuum pump. The vacuum port plug is accessible. The vacuum plug adapter is installed with good O-rings. A tube connects the sphere to the manifold.